Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to clear cache on TikTok. Open TikTok application on your device and then open your profile at the bottom side of the screen, and then in the top right corner you see 3 horizontal lines. This is menu, this is what we need. Here navigate to settings, and here scroll down to the section cache and mobile, and here go to free up space and find your cache and tap clear. This is a really good way to free up your storage on your phone, so from time to time open this free up space tab and clear your cache. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.